Hey, what is going on? So this is how to use Tonkeeper. It's found on all platforms, on App Store, on Google Play. You can download the APK on desktop, in Telegram. You have also browser extensions on all of these browsers. It's very easy to use. You can receive a ton and other tokens in only one place. Pay for service and goods within your wallet via QR code. You can swap, you can exchange your tokens for others and decentralized exchangers. You can earn crypto whether you get paid in tokens or ton. You have plenty of options to store and manage your finances. Store money in your currencies you like, pay as you go, and enjoy your personal financial freedom. You have payments and other tokens and in ton and other tokens. You have subscriptions, you can manage your subscriptions very easily. You can do stakings, you can earn up on your tons, you can buy and sell your tokens easily. You have the ability to get ton domains like readable human named wallets, a ton diamonds marketplace for digital artists and high quality collections like NFTs, Stone.fi cross chain DEX built on Ton. You have fragment buy and sell Telegram usernames and anonymous numbers. Yeah, so that's pretty much it.